Use a M5 bit to remove the 3 screws securing the shaft and pull out the shaft. Use needle nose plier to straighten and pull out the split pin. Plug an Allen key into the hole. Unscrew the nut clockwise using 15 mm socket wrench. Remove outer flange, blade, and inner flange. Unscrew 3 screws securing gear case using M5 bit. Then you can remove gear case assembly. To install gear case assembly, first line up gear case assembly. Screw down 3 screws securing gear case. Install inner flange, blade, and outer flange. Screw down the hex nut counterclockwise. Tighten the hex nut counterclockwise. Install split pin. Install the shaft. Line up the screw hole on the shaft and gear case. Screw down 3 screws securing the shaft.